Ethereum is about to make a massive move, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Ethereum analysis. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. As you guys can see, Ethereum had a massive move yesterday with this downwards candle, and currently we're consolidating right below the exponential moving averages. Now, I did mention this before that if we were to consolidate below the exponential moving averages, that is extremely bearish for Ethereum, right? So as you guys know that when these exponentials are pushing lower and lower, you usually see the price drop quite well. Currently, it looks like the exponentials are coming down, and it looks like Ethereum is consolidating around the $1,600 mark. But in my opinion, the likelihood of us testing 1526 is quite high. Now, there is another possibility, obviously, is a massive scam wick, right? We could be looking at a pattern stick like this where a massive move happens and then Ethereum comes down. That is also another possibility on Ethereum. Currently, we see that this consolidation range is quite bearish because we cannot break above the 1623 level. We have not yet tested the exponential moving averages though, so this does not mean that you can enter a short position, right? You want to be looking for a proper consolidation and a proper confirmation before you actually enter a short position. In my opinion, a better shorting position would be around the 1658 level if we see confirmation that that level is rejected, right? If you enter over here around the $1,600 mark, you're risking the fact that, you think that Ethereum is going to go down, but you're also risking the upside scale before it happens, right? You don't want to get squeezed on that position. As you can see over here, we kind of had the same position, right? Ethereum rejected that 1658 level and then retested the lows, right? Right now, this was a massive move, guys. This was a huge move to the downside. There's absolutely no reason why you should be entering a short position now when we were mentioning that this trend line basically going downwards is a very bearish consolidation move, right? We were trending below the exponential moving averages at the time we made the call. You can see that we were testing that resistance level. Multiple wicks to the upside, failed to test, and then we saw the massive move to the downside. Currently, this is not a ranging zone to be entering a position, right? Right now, you just want to sit on your hands and kind of be looking at whether or not we're going to squeeze to the upside and then enter a short position. Or if we do break these lows right here around the 1575 level, then the possibilities of us testing this support level are very likely. Now, over here, if we go over to the lower time frames, you can see the bigger picture, right? So right now, it looks like on the lower time frames, we are rejecting the exponential moving averages. We already had that test around the 1550 mark, and it looks like we were failed to break above the exponentials. So now there's a possibility on the lower time frames we could possibly see a double bottom formation around this level, or a quick scam wick to the bottom and then a rise to the top. That is a very highly possibility, but something to keep in mind, guys. You guys know that I've mentioned this before, that we do see this sort of pattern sticks, these inverse BARTs, right? We do see these inverse BARTs kind of play out too. So keep that in mind. There could be an inverse BART forming over here on Ethereum, and we could see a move to the upside. Now, obviously, with the merge news that's coming out, I did mention that a lot of people are bearish. So this could be one of those scam wicks going all the way and short squeezing everyone before we actually have the proper move to the downside. So just keep that in mind. If you are looking for any short positions, you don't want to be trading into the news, right? I told you guys this yesterday. If you are in a position and you've already closed the position, then that's good. Do not enter another position right before a major announcement, right? That's usually where you get wrecked. Usually you start to see whale manipulation, price starts going up, you get caught out, and you know the trend is still down, but now you're stuck in a position because, again, you don't know how far it's going to go up before they decide to drop it. So just keep that in mind when you're trading. As always, that's pretty much what I have for you guys today. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like and sub button, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.